Hello and namaste guys. Today I am going to discuss about difference between reflection and refraction of light. First of all, my name is Vishal Maurya and I am graduate in mechanical engineering and I have more than 1 year teaching experience. So let's start. What is reflection? What is reflection? Reflection of light is a phenomena. Reflection of light is a phenomena. Reflection of light is a phenomena of bounce back of light in same medium on striking the surface of any object. Means when a light fall at any surface, it bounce back in same medium, known as reflection of light. जब एक प्रकाश की किरण किसी सरफेस पर, किसी वस्तु के तल पर गिरती है, स्ट्राइक करती है, तो वह बाउंस बैक कर जाती है, उसी फिर सेम माध्यम में, सेम मीडियम में बाउंस बैक कर जाती है. उसी क्या कहते हैं? रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट. इट इज क्लियर, यू कैन सी इट क्लियरली. एंड वन थिंग, रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट जनरली अकर विथ मिरर्स, and this is a mirror, and this is a incident ray, and this green is reflected ray, and this is point of contact. Means when a ray incident at a mirror, then it bounce back or reflected in same medium is known as reflection of light. In means देखो, जब प्रकाश की किरण किसी दर्पण से, किसी मिरर से टकराकर पुनः उसी माध्यम में वापस लौट जाए, इस घटना को प्रकाश का परावर्तन कहते हैं. प्रकाश, देयर आर टू रूल्स ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट. फर्स्ट नंबर एक क्या कहता है? दिस येलो लाइन and see this yellow line and green line and black point. What do you see? This yellow line shows incidence rays, and this green line shows reflected ray, and this black point shows point of contact. Means the incidence rays and reflected rays and point of contact are at a same plane. First rule क्या है? पहला नियम क्या है? इंसिडेंट रेज और पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट और रिफ्लेक्टेड रेज तीनों एक ही तल में होते हैं. दूसरा नियम, सेकंड लॉ और सेकंड रूल, एंगल मेड बाय इंसिडेंस रे इज इक्वल टू एंगल मेड बाय रिफ्लेक्टेड रेज. एनी क्लियर? एंड आउट, angle of incidence ray is equal to angle of reflected rays. I is equal to R. It is clear, I think. So move further, we repeat it. What is reflection? Reflection is a phenomena of light. It is a phenomena of light when a light fall at a surface, then it bounce back in same medium. Is known as reflection of light, and it have two rules. One, incidence ray and reflected ray and point of contact are in a same plane, and angle of incidence and angle of reflection is equal. I is equal to R. So clear? Move further. Refraction. What is refraction? Refraction is a phenomena of light. Refraction is a phenomena of light in which when light move from one medium to another medium, then it changes path. It is clear? When a light move from one medium to another medium, it changes path. Or when light move from rare medium to denser medium or denser medium to rare medium, it changes path, known as refraction of light. It is clear? It is clear? You see here, this is medium 1, this is medium 1, and this is medium 2. Clear? This is medium 1 and this is medium 2, and the rays of light comes from medium 1 to medium 2. It changes path. It clearly sees that the changing path is occur. This changing path occurs, known as a refraction of light, and it has three names of refraction. Three rules of refraction. First rule, this is incidence ray. This is incidence ray. This is point of contact, and this is refracted rays. And what you see? Both three, all three are at a same point. Means इंसिडेंस रे, अ पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट और रिफ्लेक्टेड रेस तीनों एक ही बिंदु पर होते, एक ही तल पर होते, एक ही पॉइंट पर होते हैं। पहला नियम हो गया। सेकंड नियम होता है जब व्हेन लाइट मूव फ्रॉम रेयर मीडियम टू डेंसर मीडियम। रेयर मीडियम वन थिंग, दिस n is known as normal। सेकंड रूल क्या कहता है? व्हेन light move from rear medium to denser medium, it shifted toward the normal. It shifted toward the normal, but the light comes from denser to rear medium. It shifted away from the normal. Is known as is third rule of refraction. Clear? So move further. What is the difference between refraction and reflection? So first of all, we write its definition. In the reflection, what is reflection? When a light fall at a plane, it bounces back in same medium, is known as reflection of light. But in reflection, when a light comes from a move from one medium to another medium, it changes path. It is known as reflection of light. Clear? In reflection, light bounces back in same medium, but in reflection it changes path. Clear? And in reflection, light bounces back and does not change its speed, but in refraction it changes its path and its speed. Clear? And the thing, refraction of light angle. Refraction of light angle means incidence ray and refracted angle. Incidence angle and refracted angle are same in reflection, but not equal in refraction. Clear? And the thing, reflection always occurs in mirrors, and refraction always occur in lens. It is clear. So we next lecture we will learn about what is mirror. So clear. So thank you for listening this lecture. Thank you.